Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Sequoia trunk. Press the key fob liftgate button or use the interior switch, then lift the tailgate by the handle until it stays open. If the power liftgate fails, pull the manual release located behind the cargo cover and lift gently. Always check for obstructions and secure loose items before closing. I'll walk you through each method with simple safety tips and troubleshooting steps. Start by standing behind your Sequoia within a few feet, then press the liftgate button on the key fob. If nothing happens, try holding the button for 1 second to ensure the signal registers. If the liftgate still won't open, check the fob battery and replace it if the LED is dim. I'll also show a quick reset tip and how to test the power function safely without stressing the motor or hinges. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more useful car tips. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth if you want a smart, calming book about money that pairs surprisingly well with practical projects and long drives. I find it great for learning mindset shifts while you work on your vehicle. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the power liftgate is disabled, remove the small cargo panel and find the manual release lever. Pull the lever firmly while lifting the tailgate to disengage the latch, then lift to open. Check the latch and surrounding area for dirt or obstructions that could cause sticking and wipe them clean. I'll demonstrate proper leverage and how to avoid straining the liftgate so you can open it smoothly and safely every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.